is, first of all, if you are editing any of your accounts, try to put it on take a break before editing and remove it after editing. Do not try to delete your profile by any reason, because the dating will spoil. So once you have this kind of issue, what you just do is to go to your settings, then go down, scroll down to your access your information, your activity across Facebook. Then you scroll down to where you see your dating profile. Okay, you can see now in this account now it has already been edited. Sometimes you might not edit and you see something like that. It's just one of Facebook checkpoints you have to find when you are trying to log in or use an account, a dating account. What you just do, you should add 3 pictures of your personal picture. Either you take pictures of yourself like this, passport pictures, or I have some old pictures I'm going to use, so I'll just use it. I'll just add some of my pictures. Okay, then you save. Then you save your pictures. Mind you, whenever you're adding your pictures, always leave the former pictures there. That is the working pictures. Leave it and add your own passport picture, like your selfie. Don't go and take any picture and you are like full picture where your legs are showing. Just your face is needed. Okay, then you go back here, go back to the dating, then you press next and do the selfie verification. If you don't follow these steps carefully, the account might get locked and it will be your fault. I'm not going to be held responsible because I've explained this severally for some of my old customers. For new customers, just patiently watch the video. Anything you don't understand, let me know. So you press next. Make sure you hold the phone at eye level. Make sure there's a lot of light in where you are doing it. Make sure there's light in your background. Go to where there's light, shine touch on your eye, and don't do it at night where you know that there's not enough light. As you can see, my face is clear, light is shining everywhere. So I just do the selfie verification. And you have to wait sometimes 5 minutes, 1 minute, 10 minutes, depending on Facebook, and sometimes 1 hour, 1 day. So depending on the Facebook people, whenever they are ready to answer you and open the accounts. It's supposed to show these things for submitting your video. If you not show it, you have to refresh it. It shows or you retake the pictures and make sure your face you put it where. So this screen record is very long, but I'm trying to make sure that I did not leave any stone unturned. I want to touch everywhere concerning this dating issue, so we can't come and be making mistake again. So if this voice the Facebook, I will just cut it and just rest assured that the Facebook will be opened anytime soon. No two ways about it. No magic there.